Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a very important topic: how to improve English fluency. English fluency is a skill that many people want to achieve. It is especially important for students, professionals and anyone who want to grow in their career. But the question is, how can we become fluent in English? Fluency does not mean speaking fast. Fluency means speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. Even we use simple words, we can still be fluent if we speak without fear and hesitations. The first and most important step to improve fluency is daily practice. Practice is the key to success. If we practice English every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes, we will definitely see improvement. We should make English a part of our daily life. For example, we can think in English, speak simple sentence or describe what we are doing. The second step is speaking without fear. Many people feel shy or nervous while speaking English. They are afraid of making mistakes. But making mistake is a natural part of learning. We learn more from our mistakes than from our success. So we should not be afraid. Instead, we should speak as much as possible. The third step is improving vocabulary. Vocabulary means the words we use. If we know more words, we can express our ideas more easily. We should try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day, but learning word is not enough. We must use those words in sentences. The fourth step is listening and repeating. Listening is very important for fluency. We should listen to English videos, podcasts, or conversations. Then we should repeat what we hear. This helps us improve pronunciations and speaking styles. The fifth step is thinking in English. Many people first think in their native language and then translate into English. This takes time and create hesitation. If we start thinking directly in English, our speaking will become faster and more natural. The sixth step is speaking in front of a mirror. This is a very effective technique. When we speak in front of a mirror, we can see our expressions and body language. It also builds confidence. The seventh step is recording your voice. When we record our voice and listen to it, we can find our mistakes. This helps us improve pronunciation and sentences structure. Now, let me talk about consistency. Consistency is very important. Learning English is not a one day task, it is a gradual process. We must practice regularly and patiently. Even we improve a little every day, it will make a big differences over time. Also, we should try to speak with others. If we have friends who are learning English, we can practice together. We can ask questions, have small conversations, and help each other. Now, let me share a simple daily routine to improve fluency. Every day, what we will have to do? First, spend 5 minutes reading English. Spend 5 minutes speaking English. Spend 5 minutes listening in English. This 15 minutes practice can bring great improvement. Finally, I would like to say that fluency comes with time and effort. We should not compare ourselves with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Believe in yourself, practice daily, and never give up. One day you will speak English fluently and confidently. Thank you so much.